Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have so many items to share with you guys. Some new, some just repeat purchases. Let's jump in. I did get 3 bath tissues. I picked up 2 of the boxes of tissues. They finally had the 175 count back. So I picked up 2 of those because that's a great deal, 175 count. And they're not terrible tissues. I did get the 140 count paper towels to select your size. I did grab an LA's Totally Awesome Ultra Deluxe liquid dish detergent in lemon. I do not prefer this for washing dishes. This is huge 50-ounce bottle, but I'm going to put this back just in the cabinet as like some prep items, and you'll see this theme go all along in the entire haul video. I picked up the Fab Spring Magic laundry detergent gel pods, and these, I've had them before. They do work great. I mainly got them because I had an idea, or well, I saw an idea and I wanted to do that as well, and they also did not have my liquid detergent that I normally get as well, so I did grab those instead. I got some Good Sense zipper seal bags in the freezer storage bags, 15 of those. The Good Scent flat tie tall kitchen bags. I prefer the handles and the vanilla scent, but this is okay. I got spring scent, and in the same kind of bags I got lemon scent. I got a Lime Away for the bathroom. I also got a Spick and Span antibacterial cleaner, and I'm going to refill my almost empty Spick and Span bottle with this product. I like it. It works great. I bought a new duster, and I got some plastic spoons, forks, and knives. I also grabbed this table mat, Always Stay Humble and Kind. I love the color. I love that it looks kind of like wood grain wood on the back, and it's kind of farmhousey, but I got this to go under Oscar's bowl because he has a beard, and when he drinks water it just gets everywhere. And I also got this non-slip shelf liner for various things I'm going to use. I also picked up these really nice jars yesterday. I did get 2 of them, and I am going to put my detergent pods in there. And I'm going to use the other one for scent booster, which they also did not have yesterday. Otherwise, I was going to buy like enough to fill one of the jars. And these are just really nice jars. They had a bunch of different kinds to choose from. These were the biggest though. So, grab those. I think that's going to be super cute in the laundry area. A few food items. I did pick up these Reese's Fast Breaks. These are so good. My favorite water flavoring is the A&W root beer one, and actually this one was super delicious. And fluffy stuff, they had a new kind of flavor in birthday cake in the cotton candy, so we decided we were going to try this. And I have a few prep items here. The Butcher Boy coconut oil. This has a stable shelf life for the next couple years. And I watch Only in My Dreams. In her Dollar Tree haul, she always hauls stuff for her prepper pantry and just prepping in general. I've never purchased the milk in the cartons before. This has almost a year stable shelf life, unopened. You do have to refrigerate once you open, but I got the 2% reduced fat milk and the whole milk for putting back in our preps. I grabbed a couple storage containers, and this one is from the Teaching Tree, and we had one of these last year. It was a blue one. It lasted Connor's entire school year. It did bust on one of the corners, but we still continued to use it and break enough that we couldn't use it. And I saw they had only one of these left in orange, and so I picked that up for him. It held everything, like his crayons, his dry erase markers, his pencils, you know, scissors, erasers, glue sticks, class schedules, all that stuff, everything, because it's a massive container actually. And then I also picked up this blue one in the school area as well, and I just got this to add preps to. So I'm going to share with you some more like preppy items I grabbed to put back. Plastic, you never know when you're going to need plastic. You might need to make a poncho. You might need to make a makeshift tent or something like that. You might need to use this to catch rainwater or dew to drink. I know, right? There, I said it. There's a ton of different uses for this, and so I picked up one of those as well. A couple AA batteries. I picked up a AAA, and I picked up some cold medicine in preparation for the upcoming, you know, cold season. And I just got the Assured brand daytime liquid capsules. There's 10 in here, so technically 5 doses. And I got 2 of the liquids. This stuff actually works, and that's why I repeat purchase it from time to time, because it does work. And it's always good to have this already in our cabinet and on hand just in case. And I found this interesting bar light, or it's called a work light, but it's like a bar style, you know, light. And hopefully it's really bright. I think it's really neat. And then just random too, for preps, 20 tea lights. 20 for $1. You honestly can't beat that. It's pretty good. So that's what's in this little prepper chest. This could be just prepping in general for the upcoming unknown. You know, that's why you prep in general. You know, you prep for so many different reasons, but if you have a flashlight for lights out situations, you have your batteries ready. I just love prepping in general, so I can have things on hand just in case we need them. I'm always buying extra shampoos and things like that, lotions, anything I think that we can use and put back at a later time. You know, maybe money's harder 1 month from the next or something, but you know, you've already prepped when you did have extra money, so you're set and you don't even feel the strain because you've already put back and prepped those items, if that makes sense. Cotton balls, I always pick those up from Assured brand. Nouvelle, this is the first time I saw this at my DollarTree, and it's intensive care body lotion, and it's 16.9 ounces. More hand sanitizer, some Dial bar soap, lavender and twilight jasmine, and Suave Essentials tropical coconut shampoo and conditioner. So pick that up for the house. I actually really love coconut shampoo, but I mostly bought this to put back in my prep items. But I know that do not buy things for your preps, honestly, you wouldn't use regular anyways. I did find these cute mint slippers, and I thought this would just be great to put on after shower. I did pick up a rectangle white party plastic table cover, and these have many uses. It's a plastic liner basically, but what I picked this up is for, I mean, we have a projector, and these actually work fantastic for a cheap projector screen. I did get this 4x6 frame. It has 3 picture spots. My plan for this is to turn it on its side and add it to my already black framed picture wall. They had a lot of neat signs and stuff yesterday, and I found a calendar one. They had 3 of these to choose from, but I picked the one that says Shine Bright, and it has the days of the week, you know, and the months, and little hooks and a little thing hanging on. I just thought this was super neat. I did pick up a couple signs for fall, and they had some really cute stuff. And this is a pumpkin one, has a green leaf, and it says Happy Harvest, Thankful, and has different colored pumpkins and sunflowers. Like, how cute. This one is by far my favorite find, and I picked up pumpkin spice and everything nice. Look how cute, and these are just $1 for Connor's Halloween bucket. I always put treats in there and stuff, and I found these LED projector lights, and he totally likes this kind of stuff, these lights, because yesterday he actually did get the fish one in the hardware section of the store, and the night lights he already took off with that. We put batteries in it, and but got the skull, and there's like a haunted house thing for only $1. In the stationery aisle, toy aisle, we found some cool little finds. I did pick up some of these flashcards from Play School and Disney, but I got these for Allie. I'm going to start working through these cards with her. She's 3. I help babysit her at least 3 times a week. sometimes more than that. But I got her the ABC one, the numbers and counting, and the first word play cards. So Connor loved these when he was little, and he's 7 now. So I just thought I would purchase some of those and go through those, start going through them with Allie, or well, Allison. And we picked up this Shopkins Seek and Find. This also comes with fruity stickers, which is neat. And I thought that would be fun for me and Connor to work through together. And then also we got a Care Bears Jumbo coloring book. And I'm like the biggest fan of Grumpy Bear. So I was excited to see this coloring book there. Not gonna lie. And then the first time I ever saw the Pearl crayons at the Dollar Tree. And you get 8 of them for $1. I picked up the glitter crayons, metallic crayons, all kinds of different neon crayons there, pastel crayons at the Dollar Tree. So 8 for $1, you really can't beat that to build up a, you know, small crayon collection of just different finishes. So I got those pearl ones. And then Connor picked up another magic towel. And this time it has the Avengers on there. Some of the Avengers. In this like pop art Andy Warhol style washcloth. Thank you so much if you've made it this far. This was a huge haul. I'm always finding such great finds at the Dollar Tree. I just cannot help but pick up everything. So this is Hard Candy Mataholic Velvet Mousse Lip Color. It comes with a lip liner and the lipstick itself. And guess what? It's green. I don't know if you can tell, but really interesting shade. And I also found another Maybelline Vivid Matte. And this is in Corrupt Cranberry. I thought, how beautiful for fall. I found some really cool nail polishes. So I had a feeling they were hard candy because I was pretty sure I've seen this style nail polishes before. This one's called Lace Me Up. They had a ton of these to choose from. These are more like, this is Topper. And this set kind of went together. This one's Crush on Lava, which I actually, now thinking about it, I think I already actually own this one. But this one shifts a bunch of different shifts. So it's like orange, red, purple, golden, depending on what kind of light you're in. Direct sunlight, the shade, whatever. Oh, it's beautiful though. So I do hope that I don't own that, or maybe it's just a better bottle than the one I already own. That could be a thing too, because mine's older. So I picked those up, and then last but not least, I did find the new Bolero wipes, and I am trying so hard not to buy any more Bolero or wipes in general because I want to go more reusable, but I've been doing really great with that, but I just could not pass up on these. I did find all the scents, but I did not pick up all the scents. So I got sunflower seed oil, coconut wool, and Hebola oil. I think that's how you say that. I think the packaging is also really cute. And these are the larger wipes, and you got 32 of them. So that is the last items in this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls. Check the description box for additional links as well as those cards. As always, if you want any kind of reviews or additional videos or have any comments or questions regarding any of the items you've seen, definitely leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.